hose clamps. How to choose the right one? Today we're going to find out. If you've ever worked on a car or connected up hose pipes, plumbed in a dishwasher or washing machine, then you inevitably used a hose clamp. You may have even called it a Jubilee Clip. Now, what you may not know is Jubilee is actually a brand name. And Jubilee have a wide range of clamps and clips available, all suitable for different applications. Let's find out which is the right clip for you. When choosing a clamp, the first thing you should consider is what environment is the clamp going to be used in. Is it a marine environment? Is it going to be used on a boat or at a seafront? Or is it going to be used around corrosive substances in a food production facility or around cleaning agents? Or is it simply going to be in a hard to reach place where you want that clamp to last as long as possible? These are the factors you should consider when choosing the material grade for your clamps. For most applications, zinc protected mild steel, like the clamps I've got in my hands here, will be sufficient enough. In the NSS test, they lasted 240 hours, which is equivalent to 60 years in a natural urban environment before showing any signs of corrosion. So if you're installing a hose pipe on the back wall of your house or working on your car, they'll probably outlast your hose pipe, car, and your house. For applications in harsher environments, like those we mentioned before, you may want to consider stainless steel. Most of the time, 304 grade stainless should be enough. It reached 1,000 hours in the NSS test. However, if you do want something that's more durable, you can opt for 316 grade stainless steel, which reached 2,000 hours in the NSS test before showing any signs of corrosion. This would make it suitable for marine environments or oil and gas extraction environments where you really can't take any chances. So now we've worked out which material grade you require, let's have a look through the Jubilee range of clips, different types, to work out which is going to be best for your application. We'll work through these in order of performance and their features. So starting with the original range, this is available in zinc protected mild steel and also in stainless steel. These are best suited for applications that do not require huge amounts of clamping force. You'll most commonly see them used in classic car coolant hoses or your dishwasher outlets, drain outlets, that sort of thing. They're most easily identified by the fact the band is not stamped or cut all the way through. The fact it's not cut through is what limits its clamping performance. The quick release range is ideal for those working in the heating and ventilation industries, where they may need lots of large clamps of varying sizes, where it makes more sense to buy a really large clamp that you can cut down to size. One of the key features of the quick release range is this quick release tab. The benefit of this is you can open up the clamp completely and then adjust it very quickly by hand and then lock this tab over and it locks. And you can simply reverse that just by flicking this catch up and undoing it. Next up is the high torque range. These are only available in stainless steel and they feature a completely cut through band. These are best suited for commercial applications where a high clamping force is required, such as trains, large vehicles, quarrying equipment, where there's going to be lots of vibrations, where there's a greater risk of leaks. If you need even greater clamping force, then you should consider using a Superclamp. The Superclamp is available in mild steel, 304 grade stainless and 316 grade stainless steel. Now, the keen-eyed of you out there may have noticed that this features a bridge section. This spreads the load around the diameter of the clamp and the hose. It also has a wider band to spread the load also. And also, there is a radius on the band to stop it from cutting through the hose. These are best suited for applications where there's high pressure fluids being pumped, such as mining industry, oil and gas industry, and shipbuilding and that sort of environment.
In summary, the Jubilee range has something for pretty much every application. If you feel we've missed something out, tell us in the comments section below. We have all these hose clamps from Jubilee on the shelf, so check out the range through the link below. We offer excellent pricing and fast next day delivery. If you cannot see what you need, just call our sales team on 01905 794 875.